Bro, is that one of those hiccup straws from like TikTok?
Hey,
I keep seeing those things all over TikTok. What's up with those?
Yeah, I've got the hiccups right now, so I'm just using it to stop them.
I mean, do they actually work or like what's the deal?
I swear by this thing, bro. It's
Really?
got like a small hole in the bottom, so when you drink from it, it creates enough pressure in your diaphragm to stop the spasms causing the hiccups.
Really?
Yeah, like even Mark Cuban from Shark Tank said everyone's gonna have one in their medicine cabinet.
Like actually? So should I like try one out and see?
Yeah, bro, definitely. I mean, I swear by this thing. So.
Really, bro? I mean, they're probably like what, like 30, 40 bucks?
Dude, it's only like 13, 14.
Oh, bet. Then I'll definitely get one. Yeah, can you send me the link?
Yeah, bro, I'll send you the link and I'll put it down there.